December is the most comfortable month of the year because you have Christmas dinner here, New Year dinner there, drinking wine here, eating tapas and jamon over there. You have everything. You have food, you have warm flat, sweets, you have everything. And then it comes January. And January is the most uncomfortable month of the year if you want to grow. Because you will have now the chance to establish new goals, new promises, new habits. Changes are usually uncomfortable because you are trying something new, and when you try something new, your brain doesn't know how to function, how to process that. And if you want to grow, you should expect that, bro. And if you are on self-improvement for several times already, you know that this is the fact that when you feel uncomfortable, you grow. Because when you are in that situation that it's a bit weird, that you feel a bit strange, a bit uncomfortable, you want to get out of that as soon as possible. Your brain processes that as some kind of a danger, you know, because it's unknown to him. And he wants to get out of that situation. And you should know, bro, that the more uncomfortable you feel right now, the better you will feel in the future. And I can guarantee you that, bro. Because uncomfortable feeling is the sign of changes. And it shows that you are trying something new. Because otherwise, you would still be happy. But right now, you are trying something new and you are kind of unhappy. You are kind of nervous. You are kind of lazy. You are trying to avoid this task that you set. But you will notice that by feeling uncomfortable, you are changing the routine. You are creating new habit and you are experimenting. And January and your age, you know, it's perfect for experimenting. Because January, let's say, is the beginning of the year, yeah? So are you. Right now, you are at the beginning of your adult life. You are a young man. You are 18 years old, maybe 17, 16, 15 even. Now is the perfect chance to experiment. If you see that you don't get the girls by playing video games, by playing League of Legends, then try something new. Try to get girls by, I don't know, doing sport, eating healthier. Don't go to McDonald's, because going to McDonald's will make you fat. And if you are fat, the girls won't notice you. It's that simple, bro. Experiment. This is the perfect time of experimenting. And experimenting is always uncomfortable because you are risking, you are investing your energy, you are investing your time into something that might not give you the results. And this is making you uncomfortable because you don't know if you will get what you want. And that's the beauty of self-improvement. The beauty of self-improvement, bro, is to do something without knowing if you will get what you want. But deep down, you know that you will get it, because it doesn't make sense that you are the best man in the world and yet you are poor, without women, with trash mental health. That doesn't go together, bro. So, you know what to do now. Experiment. This is New Year stuff. And this is how you become the new you. Do the hard work, bro, and see you on top of the world.